What's up, guys? Hamst here, and welcome back to, well, I guess it's not really a series, but it's a series that I kind of stopped. Today, yeah, I'm going to be showing you how to download and install a Bukkit/Spigot server. Okay, so maybe a year ago or something, I used to run all my servers on Bukkit, and I used to do plugin tutorials and a bunch of other cool stuff. I taught you guys how to set up your own Bukkit server, port forward it, and all that crap. That port forwarding is still the same, but the problem is that Bukkit has actually been, I guess, down. Well, it's been cancelled. So it was taken down due to legal issues. Don't really know why. I don't see that there was any problem with it. But yeah, that means we need to find a new server to well, a new, jar file to do stuff on. So yeah, right now I'm using Spigot, which is kind of Spigot or Spigot, either way, Spigot. It's a better version of Bukkit because it's just a little bit less crappy, I guess. It's more professional, and they've been keeping up the Bukkit engine too. But yeah, we're going to be doing that today. So right now I am running it, and it's on terminal right here. It's fine. I've just de-opt myself just to show you guys how to do crap. So yeah, basically the way you want to set it up, right now I've got this server. These are all the different servers. They all have the old Craft Bukkit thing in there. Yeah, but I'm going to be showing you guys how to set up your own. So basically you want to go to spigot.org, and you want to click get Spigot 1.8. I'm not sure if you can get what's it called, later versions like 1.7 or anything. I mean, most people use 1.8 now, and that'll download pretty quickly. And then you want to, I don't know, just create a new folder wherever you want to have your server. So let's just call this tutorial, and then you want to go to your downloads and copy the jar in there, and then that should do it pretty quickly. Then you need to write a new command. But yeah, you want to go to text edit. It's usually on every Mac. New. And that'll bring up this kind of window. You also want to change the format of that to make it plain text so it looks kind of crappy. And then I'll leave all of this crap down in the description, but you want to get all of this rubbish in there pretty much. So you just want to copy that in the description of the video, and then pop it in a text edit file. Then you want to go save, and we'll find out where to save it once it loads. If we go to documents and then to servers and then to tutorial and just save it in there, and we want to just leave it for like that for now, but we'll just call it start server. Yep, that'll be fine. Right, and then they'll save that file. Then you can just close that down. You don't really need to do anything else with that. So we'll go back to the tutorial here, and now you can notice that my server command is actually a .command file, which will open up in what's this thing called, terminal, and that's the way you run your server. So what you want to do here is go into get info, and you want to change this name extension here from .text to .command. And it'll bring up a thing. Yep, you just want to use command. Don't worry about it. It'll be fine. Now, yeah, everything should work now. So if we just open that up, yeah, this will happen. The file server.command could not be executed because you don't have appropriate access to privileges. So what you want to do is, for me, it's actually a bit different because it'd be more simple for you, because I actually have it in this folder which has space in it, which can't be used very well in terminal. So yeah, well, what we'll just do is we'll drag this onto the desktop. Yeah, there we go. Start.server there. So now we have to locate it and give it the appropriate privileges that it needs to run. So if you bring up a new terminal window, if you just do spotlight search and type terminal, it should probably come up with a new window, and then it'll take you to your kind of home file or home folder, I guess. And if you type ls, just ls next to each other, it'll bring up all the same folders that you have on your drive. So right now we need to get to the desktop, so we need to type cd desktop, and then it'll take us to the desktop, and then we type ls again. We'll come up with all of this. Now there it is, start server.command. So now you need to type chmod, and then u plus x, and then start server.command. And then that has just given it the privileges to run. So you can close down that terminal window, nothing's running it. Now if we drag this file back into our tutorial server in there. There we go. Now it should work. So if we double click, right, now you'll come up with this problem too. So you need to go back in here. Because this is actually called Spigot, maybe just rename it. That might just be the easy way. So it needs to be the text in the terminal file. This file right here needs to be exactly the same as that. So we'll just call it Spigot there, and now it will definitely work. So then it'll load your libraries. Please wait. It'll generate all the stuff that the server comes up with. It'll load up logs, EULA, and then it'll stop the server because you also need to agree to the terms of use for the EULA. So we just need to go into this text edit folder, or text edit file, sorry, and that'll bring up this, and you just need to change that false to true and save it. Close it down, close that window, restart it, and then it will work, and then you have your own server. So right now it won't connect, but once it's loaded up all the other stuff that it needs to, it'll load up server.properties, your world, bunch of other crap, and then it'll make the spawn area in different percentages of completion. And once it has done that for also the nether and the end, you will have your own server with Spigot. Now I'll be doing a bunch of other plugin tutorials. I'll just show you how to put in plugins. So plugins are pretty much like kind of mods, I guess, for a server. So right now if you refresh, enter it. But yeah, plugins are pretty much mods for a server, and I'm going to be doing a few tutorials on each of these. So yeah, there's a cow. By the way, you also might want to op yourself on your own server, if it is your own server. So you just need to type op, and that'll give you all the commands, like game mode and stuff. I can't even remember my own IGN. There we go. Game mode 1, and now we can, you know, go kill all these cows. Die! There we go. So yeah, yeah, where was I? Plugins. Yeah, they're pretty much mods for server. I'll just quickly show you how to pop them in there. So right now in Spigot, I've got a double jump plus plugin, which is pretty much double tap space and you double jump. And if you just drag that or download the file and pop it in there, it'll be a jar file. Then you also need to reload your server for it to work, and you also need to be opt to actually use it. So now if I just go back to game mode 0, I can now double jump or do whatever the specific plugin does. And by the way, guys, I just thought I should mention that the IP address for your new server will be localhost, and that'll connect you to your own host and anyone on your network. For getting people to connect to your server from outside of your network, you'll need to use port forwarding and that sort of stuff, and I've got a tutorial on that, and that'll be in the description. So yeah, it's pretty simple to set up your own server nowadays. It was really complicated back in the old days, and especially if you want plugins, it's best to use Spigot instead of the normal Minecraft server. So if you did enjoy watching this tutorial, then please leave a like. That would be absolutely brilliant. It helps me know that you're enjoying the video, or you have enjoyed the video. Yeah, I'm going to be coming out with a bunch of other plugin tutorials and stuff like that, just showcasing plugins that people have made. I've already got a few in the wraps. So yeah, if you're looking forward to that, then please subscribe. Thanks for watching, and yeah, I will see you guys next time. I really need to go eat some food, so yeah, I'll go do that. Oh, and by the way, if you want to stop your server, you just write stop with a command /stop, and then it'll stop the server.